With Tenna being construction specific, it puts it past any GPS platform out there. I haven't seen a platform that encompasses the financial aspect of equipment, the maintenance side of equipment, and also the back office flow of accounting. And that's why Tenna, I feel, is a very powerful software. When we look at the cost of Tenna, it's minuscule compared to the amount of money we're able to save on rental bills. We had field requests for 2 excavators, and they were going to go out and rent them. Instead of renting, which would have been $25,000 a month, we were able to log on the platform and identify pieces that were being underutilized. When demobilizing off of a job, it ensures that we get all equipment off of the job. Leaving things behind and such is basically eliminated with Tenna. Recently started using resource management. And the dispatch board I see as the most powerful, to where it gives you complete visibility of all your projects and all your equipment. I'm excited about Canvas. It's going to allow fuel consumptions, idle versus working time. A lot more information is available from the machine. One of the most powerful things within Tenna is the integrations with the ERP. Tenna is the only platform we've been able to discover to where our hours can flow back into our accounting software, which is Viewpoint Vista, and it will automatically allocate the hours to our jobs, which cuts down on a lot of manual entry. We're using Tenna's OEM integrations. We're actually able to pull in all of our APIs with Tenna to manage all of the equipment out of one platform. Tenna keeps catering to construction companies and their requests and implementing them into the software, just further improving the power of the software. If you're a construction company contemplating different platforms, I highly recommend Tenna, because the construction aspect of being able to manage your maintenance, your back office, your financial, all in one platform doesn't exist amongst any other platform I've seen.